Today I'm going to show you some of my favourite fire lighting materials. There are many methods from old-fashioned to modern, and what you use could be down to preference or, more critically, the situation. So let's take a look at fire plugs. So these plugs are densely packed cotton infused with wax and other flammable material, which makes them an all-weather fire starter and can even ignite after being soaked in water. All you need to do is simply fluff up the plug and apply a spark. It's that easy. Burn time is around 4 minutes for each plug, obviously depending on weather conditions. So what about fat wood? Well, it's a great natural fire starter which is found in the heartwood of pine trees and is harvested from the stumps of the tree when fallen or cut down. They contain a high concentration of resin which makes it highly flammable and also waterproof. Simply shave small curls and use them to light other larger pieces of wood. Kapok. It's a natural fibre that originates from Central and South America, but can also be found in Africa and Southeast Asia, and it's nearly 5 times as light as cotton. It's a brilliant fire starter. Simply take a small pinch and fluff up and it will catch the first spark from your fire still. If it gets wet, simply squeeze the excess water out and fluff up again. Magnesium. This powder will easily catch a spark and burn hot and fast, which makes it an ideal fire starter in wet conditions and will easily ignite wet tinder or kindling. You only need a tiny amount, and I recommend that you sprinkle it on cotton wool or cinnamon. So those are 4 of my favourite fire lighting materials. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Take care, and I'll see you next time on Higgsybear Outdoors. Bye for now.